Okay, this is now the third time I'm recording this, and this better be the last time I'm recording this. So here I'm going to show you the quick, dirty, easy way to give yourself a pat or pet PNG on your Vtuber or PNGtuber. It's a GIF, so it's 2D, not 3D at all, just on top of your shit. Like I said, quick, easy, dirty, super easy way to do that with Twitch's built-in alerts and some images that you can just get right off the internet. So first things first, you're going to want to make sure you have got yourself a pat GIF and of course your VTuber and everything like that kind of set up, PNGtuber, anything like that. Take your pat GIF. You're going to want to go to Creator Dashboard. Once you're there, you're going to go to Viewer Rewards, Power Up Points and Channel Points, Manage them. Come down here to add custom reward. You're going to want to name this something like pets, describe what it does, patting, whatever, right? Enter in your channel amount, do all the kinds of things that you do for a channel redeem reward, right? You can also drag and drop some custom images here. I did like the pat GIF, except instead of a GIF, it was just a still image. You can change the background color, amount, redemption cooldowns, anything you want to do, right? But what you're going to want to do is just actually go through and create that custom redemption. So as you can see here, I've got it all set up. We've got, custom color, custom little icon, everything like that. And now that is a reward redemption. Now that we have that done, we're going to come over here to alerts. I'm just going to mute that. We're not doing this for a fourth time. Okay, so we're over here in alerts now. We're going to hit create alert box. This is going to be in a new alert box. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go through and all of these things on the left here, except for channel points, you're going to want to turn off all of these check boxes. Every single one of these, except for channel points, you want to keep that one on. So like hype trains, charity, raids, all of these things. You can make multiple alert boxes. So if you don't have one of these set up already for your alerts to show on your stream, don't worry. You can turn these off, but you'll absolutely be able to still have them on another alerts box. Just don't have them on this one because otherwise everything will be showing up on top of your character's face. Okay, so now we go to our channel points redemption, and we come over here to our general settings, and you can name this something if you want, maybe like pat redemption, something like that to kind of keep yourself organized. And then alert condition, you're going to want to scroll down here to the custom one that we made earlier, the custom channel point redemption for pets. You can sit here and you can change the duration of this. You can make it 10 seconds. You can make it obviously 99 max. Do whatever you want there. You can also add an animation. They have a couple of animations you can choose from that'll actually like animate the thing there. You can choose that if you want to. Now you're going to want to go to text and speech. Delete the text. That way you don't have any text there. You don't want to see that. That's kind of useless. Everything else you probably don't need. Probably don't need text or speech or anything. Celebration. Yeah, no, that's not actually anything we need. Okay, now here's the big part here is the alert image and alert sound. Now you don't have to have a sound to go with it. I personally do on mine because I have a little bit of a jokey sound, but you can also just delete the sound here. So in our case, we are just going to go ahead and delete the alert sound. That way there's just no sound that comes with the pets because most people don't have a sound there. Now we're going to come here to the alert image. Upload file, select our pet GIF here. Now, as you can see, it's all petting. You can change the scale and whatnot, move things around if you need to. But now that that's done, you have all of these turned off on the left. You have this channel point redemption set up for your pets on your channel with the GIF setup. Sounds if you want to. Like I said, hit save changes. Now come down here and you're going to copy browser source URL. That is now copied, and then you're going to open up your Streamlabs or your OBS or whatever you use. You're going to want to go into your sources and add a browser source. We're going to add a new source because I've already done this. I don't really need to do this again. Add new source. You're going to sit here and you're going to copy paste that string of text that you just got from Twitch. And if you want to use audio, if you have like an audio alert for this, at least in Streamlabs, I don't know about other things because I'm using Streamlabs. You're going to want to hit Control Audio via Streamlabs Desktop. This gives you a little thing here in your audio mixer. That way you can actually have the audio and control it yourself and control the mix and the sound of the audio. On top of that, okay, so we've got this. We've got that added, right? We've got this browser source. Where is it? Where is it? Browser source 2. You're going to want to go here. You're going to want to go to properties. And this is for Streamlabs specifically. And I just want to help people out because this was a bitch for me. I couldn't get the sounds to, if you have sound alerts, to sound out, like actually be heard on the stream. That's because it automatically makes browser sources audio monitoring monitor only. So make sure to go into your advanced audio settings on your browser source, and you're going to want to go here and you're going to want to change it to monitor and output, and then that'll make it so you hear the alert sound. So if someone like raids you or pats you or whatever, you hear it, so you know that it's going on, so you don't have to like watch your stream like a hawk. You hear it, and the stream can hear it as well if you have alert sounds with that. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to just take this over here and we're going to place it kind of right on top of my character. Okay, now we've placed it there. We can send test alert. And as you can see, it is now sending a test alert of this thing petting me. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller, just to show y'all that you can customize it a little bit. I think I just messed it up. I'm not really sure what I did there. But, you know, leave it to me to do something like that, right? Anyways, it looks like I actually selected the wrong source. That's what I did. Okay, so yeah, as you can see here, you now have this when you do a test alert. I would show you like actually doing it on a stream and everything, but you have to be streaming for the channel point rewards to go through. So yeah, you can like do a little test stream, you know, say test stream, please ignore, something like that to test it out, make sure it works. And then you can do like the little channel point redeems. On your channel, I can go into my chat here, and you can see here that like I have Pats, and I can hit redeem, right? And I've redeemed it and everything. But unfortunately, like I said, it does not show up here. That's why I can't show that off. But anyways, that is the quick, easy, dirty way to get yourself a little bit of a pat on your PNG. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope that was helpful, and have a great day. Bye-bye.